Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My today's tutorial is based on very popular term from telecom industry that is called SINR, which means signal to interference and noise ratio. I make this tutorial because this question will asked in most of the telecom interviews, like what is SINR and how to improve it. And I found like many of them are still confused, like what exactly SINR is. So today I am gonna explain SINR in very simple way that anyone can understand easily. First, let us break these terms. S stands for signal, I stands for interference, N stands for noise, and last one R stands for ratio. So friends, signal is nothing but a type of electrical impulse or a wave which can be transmitted or received. It's called a signal. Let us draw a signal. Okay, I will draw a sinusoidal wave. For example, this is a signal, sinusoidal signal. Okay. So the next word is I, interference. Interference is very common one. To understand interference, let us suppose this is a signal, that one which we want, and let us draw two more signal. B, and this is a signal which we don't want, means any other signal. But the problem is like B is overlap with my signal A, which I required. So for me this B is creating interference in my signal. This is called interference effect, and graph will be like these all called these all interference. If you gonna experimenting this on CRO, then it will be like that. These peaks are nothing but an interference, means this is our A signal and this is interference. Next term is noise. Noise is nothing but any unwanted signal or any unwanted sound called noise. Unwanted sound. Sorry for my handwriting, it's not too good. I know it's poor. Ratio is used for differentiating between two quantities, as we all know that. So it's combined called SINR, signal to interference and noise ratio. Means in simple word, the amount of noise and the amount of interference which is present in our signal called signal to interference ratio, and it is directly degrade the quality of signal. It's degrade the signal quality. So the next question is like how to improve SINR. It is very common question, and I will give you one suggestion. Like, let us take a non-technical example. For example, imagine like this one is a room and 4% are seated left hand side of the table and 4 are seated right hand side of the table, and all are busy with their phones. At the same time, A wants to say something to, let us take F. But problem is that all are shouted at the same time on phone and they are talking very loudly. So F can hear the voice of A, they can understand, but not properly understand what A want to say, just because of these interference, because all are talking at the same time at loud voice, so it's create interference in that room. That's why A are not able to communicate properly with F. Same thing done with towers. Like, let us take example of LTE. Let us suppose these are 5 E node Bs, A, B, C, D, for example D, and these all are neighbor. All are radiating at the same time and have a tilt of 0 degree, same power. Like this room. So this thing act like a interference for D, means these neighbor create interference in D signal, which we called SINR. So what's the best solution in order to improve SINR? Like, if we put these all neighbor down, then interference is automatically degrade and SINR will be improved. Like in that room, if we like B, C, D decrease their voice level and start talking slowly on phone, like same G, H and E start talking slowly on phone, then A can easily communicate with F and F can easily understand what A want to say. In the same way, like in towers, if we put our neighbor down, then SINR will improve. Because of the reason interferences decreases. I hope you understand the concept of signal to interference ratio. Thanks for watching my video. For more update, keep watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you.